Phos Cure Weekly is a powerful blend of all natural enzymes with potent phosphate removers. By controlling the phosphate levels, this solution tackles water clarity issues and prevents waterline buildup. First, we recommend taking a sample of your pool water to your local Great Escapes store for an accurate reading of your phosphate levels using a digital water test. Below 1,000 parts per billion is acceptable, but the ideal level is 250 parts per billion. If your phosphate levels are high, use Phos Cure Max to balance. Treat any water, pH, or alkalinity issues before applying this solution. Do not add if the chlorine level is higher than 6 parts per million. When you're ready to apply Phos Cure Weekly, turn on your pool's filtration system. Tightly secure the cap and shake the bottle to thoroughly mix the formula. Pour Phos Cure Weekly directly into the skimmer. Use 4 ounces for every 10,000 gallons. The water may become hazy after application. That's a sign that the product is actively working on phosphates, and the water will clear up. Allow the filtration system to continue running for at least 24 hours. Monitor your filter pressure and maintain it as needed. Backwash, bump, or clean the filter from time to time or when the flow is reduced. This will speed up recovery time. Wait to superchlorinate 1 to 2 days after applying Phos Cure Weekly. If you have any questions about using Phos Cure Weekly, contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.